All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Jeep Wrangler. It is the Sahara Unlimited 4-door, black with black cloth interior. Only 16,000 miles in this vehicle. It's got the Sahara package, so it's got the nicer rims, the fog lights, LED lights. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Does have a dent right here, about 3 inches. Boom. The rest of it looks pretty good. This fender thing looks pretty good. Here's your rear. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. You got the tire there, which is obviously over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks good. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. Very nice. Obviously, this roof comes off. Boom. Looks good. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power. Your rear driver's side rim. Tire 30 is way over 730 seconds. Of course, you got this door obviously is removable. I don't know if you guys know anything about these trucks, but they're removable. The doors are removable. The top is removable. Actually, this is a two fold top, so this top can come off like a sunroof type of thing, and then or you can take the whole thing off. No holes, no tears, no rips on the seat. Let me jump in here real quick, turn it on for you guys. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Obviously, you got your AM, FM, CD player, awnings, and all that good stuff. Got your AC controls right down below. You got your 4x4 action right there. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. So you can see, does need some fuel. And there's your mileage of 16,737. Pretty much it. Completes the tour for in here. Looks good. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks great. Rear bumper. It's pretty darn nice. Boom. This is what your rear trunk space looks like. Pretty nice, big and spacious. There is a little storage compartment right here. Boom. This thing actually locks by moving this over, and then it'll lock. All right, this comes down first. Of course, here's your spare tire, which obviously gets rear mounted. Super nice. This quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Tire 30 is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Obviously, it's got the sound bar up top. Very nice. All right, and it's got for your power windows here. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Look at those beautiful LED lights and fog lights. Looks great. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler. It is the Sahara Unlimited model with only 16,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy boating.